Guys, in this video I will try to teach you how to track Shopclues order status online. It just takes few seconds to track the package and know your current order status. Many of you don't know how to track the package and you got confused that when the delivery would be done. So please follow these instructions which I'm going to provide you. First of all, open google.com as I have already opened it. Now click on this search engine, track Shopclues. Okay, now you can see there are number of search results, but you need to choose only their official websites. So you can see these are the three main official websites related tracking orders. Click any of these links and it will redirect you the tracking page. For an example, I'm clicking on this link and now you can see I'm on the tracking page. Here Shopclues needs order ID and your registered email ID, or you can enter your registered mobile number. So these information you need to take from your account dashboard and click on this track button. However, you can directly track your order number from your account dashboard. All you have to do is to log in your account. I'm just trying to show you. This is a mobile version probably. um, Shopclose official website. Okay, here it displays Shopclose homepage, and now we can see the sign in option. Here enter your login and password and enter your account dashboard. So this is also a alternative tracking method. I hope this will help you to track the package and to track the order details. Thank you.